A huge equity market rally today. The major U.S. stock indexes up more than 3%. There you go. S&P 500 up almost 4.5%. The Dow and the Nasdaq gaining also more than 3%. Now, European stocks up the most in more than 17 months. Joining us now for more insight in today's trading, we have Adam Johnson, Dominic Chu, our market mavens. Gentlemen, so what are some of the highlights that you take away from today's market action?
Well, I mean, we had some real movers today. I mean, the likes of Apple, GE, Bank of America, all contributing some huge point gains to the S&P 500's move today. So some real stocks in the technology sector, the industrial sector, that whole thing that's really propelling this thing forward, Adam.
Well, yeah, and then, the whole transportation sector, you look what was going on there, Pimm. This is about helping Europe. Remember, 70% of sales for the S&P 500 are over in Europe. So look at that. Cummins, they produce engines. PACCAR, their trucks. Boeing, we know what they produce. So, obviously, if you're helping Europe and you're helping trade between countries and you're talking about guys who sell stuff abroad, obviously that was huge for these guys.
All right, gentlemen. So what happened to Priceline after the close?
Well, that Priceline, that was a big story. We talked about it earlier today. I mean, first of all, the volcano and that ash just grounding flights didn't help matters. And then we talk about the strong euro, not so strong, the strong dollar basically there. It makes the travel between Europe and America a little bit more or less affordable depending on which side of the Atlantic you are. In this case here, Priceline gets 61% of its business from international bookings. That's by far more than Expedia or Orbitz. So a lot of that profits are coming from there.
Which, by the way, is why they guided down for second quarter. They say it's now going to be 250 to 270. It was 282. They did make after the close. They made the bottom line, but they missed the top line sales number. So yeah, there are your reasons. Oh yeah, and Thailand too.
Right, guidance lower, so.
Yeah.
All right, and Thailand, too. We're going to find out about Thailand. Gentlemen, thank you very much, Adam Johnson, Dominic Chu.